As the first snowflakes kiss the ground, they whisper of winter's long icy embrace. Our hearts dream of escape, yearning for sunlit shores and the gentle warmth of faraway places. Packing for a vacation often feels like a daunting task. We've all faced the struggle of trying to pack just enough without going overboard. Where do you begin, and how do you know when to stop? In this video, I'll share practical tips to help you pack your luggage efficiently and stress-free. Let's get started. Number 1. Use packing cubes. In the past, I used plastic bags to pack my suitcase for travel. However, I found that they lacked structure, causing items to shift around inside. They were also prone to tearing and rarely lasted beyond 1 or 2 trips. Additionally, plastic bags aren't breathable, which can trap odors or moisture, and they tend to give a messy, disorganized appearance. What I have discovered recently is 6-piece packing cube set, including 3 sizes of travel organizers packing cubes, 1 bra underwear bag, 1 laundry bag, and 1 zippered bag. Featuring sturdier stitching and stronger double zippers, the extra large packing cube accommodates coats, hoodies, and pants. The buckles and straps provide added convenience. In addition to the metal zippers, the packing cube also includes an opening with visible, breathable mesh. I use the large packing cube to pack my t-shirts, dresses, shorts, etc. Rolling clothes instead of folding them can save space, reduce creasing, and make it easier to pack and unpack. To get ready for my tropical trip, I'm packing tanks, sleeveless shirts, and extra t-shirts. That's where the medium packing cube comes in handy. The underwear bag is a great addition to this packing cube set, preventing bras from getting compressed. You can also squeeze in a few pairs of socks. The durable Oxford material is made from waterproof fabric, which is essential for keeping our clothes clean and in good condition while traveling. The little zipper bag is perfect for packing my cosmetics, contact lenses, and all my personal care items. Now it's time to pack all the cubes and bags into the suitcase. These packing cubes are ideal for keeping clothes organized and saving space during travel and at your destination. The mesh top design makes it easy to identify what you need. After your trip, you can use them to store your clothes, keeping your space tidy and clutter-free. I will leave the product link in the video description for you to check out. Number 2. Using disposable underwear. During a previous trip, I ran into a laundry issue. Running out of clean underwear quickly took the fun out of waking up to tropical views. Lesson learned. Disposable travel panties are the perfect solution. I opted for this 10-pack of 100% cotton disposable panties. Each pack contains 10 individually wrapped pairs, making them hygienic, portable, and compact. Made from high-quality cotton, they are soft, breathable, and offer great elasticity, fitting most body types. Skin-friendly and non-irritating. These are perfect for travel. Use them once and toss them, or wash by hand and reuse. I will leave the product link in the video description for you to check out. Number 3. Shoe bags. Have you ever struggled to fit all your shoes in your suitcase or found dirt marks on your clothes from them? A simple solution is to use plastic or grocery bags to separate muddy, dusty, or stinky shoes from your clean clothes. However, travel shoe bags offer a much better alternative. Available in various sizes, colors, and designs that keeps shoes dust-free and protects my clothes. The water-resistant fabric guards against splashes, and the mesh design makes it easy to identify each pair. With zipper or drawstring closures, they provide a more practical and stylish option. I love travel shoe bags for their breathable, ultra-light nylon material. Once the trip is over, these shoe bags double as convenient storage solutions at home, making them a versatile and worthwhile investment. Number 4. Consider the weather. You can't always predict the weather, and rain can suddenly appear during your trip. Packing rain shoe covers is a smart idea. What I love about these shoe covers is their compact, foldable design. They take up minimal space in my suitcase. Their waterproof and non-slip design keeps your shoes, socks, and feet dry and clean. The front zipper and top elastic strap with snaps ensure a snug and secure fit. Plus, they're easy to slip on and take off. If you want to keep your shoes and socks dry, rain shoe covers are a must-have for your trip. Number 5. Silicone travel toiletries containers. These are the skincare products I use daily at home. They come in large containers, so I avoid packing them in my suitcase due to their weight. I use silicone travel toiletry containers to keep my luggage organized. They hold all my essentials for a week-long trip for 2, helping me pack efficiently while staying organized. Made from leak-proof silicone material with a 3-layer slotted edge design to prevent spills. These containers are perfect for everything from shampoo and conditioner to lotion, body wash, and facial cream. The material is odorless, durable, and easy to squeeze, fill, and clean. Identifiable labels come in handy. I personally like taking my body mist everywhere I go, so the little spray bottle is a must-have. This set has truly simplified the process of packing and organizing my toiletries. I highly recommend it for frequent travelers. Number 6. Small crossbody bag. To keep your belongings secure and within reach while traveling, a small crossbody bag is essential. Recently, I discovered this genuine leather crossbody purse, and it has been a game changer. Crafted from soft, high-quality pebble leather with a smooth lining and durable silver tone hardware. This small, lightweight purse is both stylish and well-made. With multiple pockets and compartments, it keeps everything organized and within reach, giving me a sense of security on the go. The practical 9 by 7 inch size is perfect for holding all my essentials, such as my cell phone, power bank, passport, keys, and sunglasses. The fashionable yet casual design makes it versatile for various occasions: travel, hiking, outings, walking, biking, or even walking the dog. It's not only functional, but also a stylish accessory for daily life. Plus, it would make a thoughtful gift. Number 7. Digital luggage scale. To avoid the hassle and embarrassment of overweight luggage at the airport, I used to rely on my bathroom scale to weigh my bags. However, reading the display was always a challenge. That's when I discovered this fantastic digital luggage scale, and it has been a game changer for my travels. This scale offers both imperial and metric measurements, with a clear backlit LCD display for easy reading. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even with heavy bags. Powered by a pill battery, it includes an auto shut-off feature to save power. The quick connect strap hanger securely attaches your bag for fast, simple weighing. With a 110-pound, 50-kilogram capacity, it's perfect for large luggage. I will leave the product link in the video description for you to check out. A great purchase for frequent travelers. Number 8. Portable door lock. Safety is always a top priority when traveling. Whether you're staying in a hotel or elsewhere, a portable door lock is a smart and simple precaution. We always rent an Airbnb during vacation, and bringing a portable door lock gives us peace of mind against unauthorized entry. It comes with a small tote for easy storage when not in use and is compact, measuring just 5 inches long and 1 inch wide, so it's simple to pack. Made from durable stainless steel, it's both lightweight and strong, preventing doors from being opened or forced while you're inside. Installation is easy with the included instructions. Open the door. Insert the claws into the lock strike plate. Close the door. Slide the metal knob into the heart-shaped hole and secure the red plate. That's it. This lock is also great for dorms, apartments, or private rooms. For anyone living solo, I highly recommend keeping one for added security. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips and tools make your next trip stress-free. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.